Hey everyone, I'm Dennis.
And I'm Vatsa.
Welcome to our presentation on direct and inverse proportion. In this short lesson, we'll explain that direct and inverse proportions mean how they appear in real life and show examples with equations, tables, and graphs.
What is direct proportion? Direct proportion happens when two quantities increase or decrease together at the same rate.
That means if one quantity doubles, the other also doubles. Their ratio always stays constant.
The equation for direct proportion is y equals to kx, where k is the constant of proportionality.
For example, if k equals 3 and x doubles from 2 to 4, then y also doubles from 6 to 12. Let's look at a real life example, the cost of buying apples.
The cost of apples increase directly with the number of kilograms you buy.
For instance, if 1 kilogram costs $3, then 2 kilograms cost 6, and 3 kilograms costs $9.
The relationship can be shown by the equation y equals to 3x, where y is the total cost and x is the kilograms.
Here's our table and graph. You can see that as x increases, y increases at the same rate.
This means when you buy twice as many apples, you pay twice the cost. That's direct proportion. Now, let's move to the inverse proportion.
In an inverse proportion, when one quantity increases, the other decreases, so that their product stays constant.
The formula is x times y equals to k.
A good example is speed and time. The faster you go, the less time you need to travel the same distance.
So, when speed doubles, time is cut in half. That's an inverse relationship.
Here's a practical example. A car traveling a fixed distance of 120 kilometers.
The equation is v times t equals to 120, where v is speed in kilometers per hour and time is in hours.
When the car travels at 30 kilometers per hour, it takes 4 hours.
But if it goes 60 kilometers per hour, it only takes 2 hours. And at 120 kilometers per hour, it only takes 1 hour.
Our graph shows this as speed increases, time decreases. The curve goes downwards, showing the inverse relationship.
This makes sense because the product of speed and time always equals to 120.
Through this project, we learn how to direct and inverse proportions are used in everyday life, from shopping, driving, etc.
We also realized that understanding proportions helps in solving real world problems logically and with numbers.
We enjoyed making the visuals and graphs, and it helped us see math in a more practical way. The source for this presentation is Think Mathematics, textbook secondary 2A.
Thank you for watching our presentation.
We hope you learned something new about direct and inverse proportion. Thank you.